Hey friends, hello. By looking at the thumbnail, I'm sure you all know what I'm doing today. But you know how easy or difficult this one was? Just look at this.
How long are you taking to build one house? This is day number 3. I want it done by today. Hey, that's my home. You can't.
Come do here.
It is very easy, okay? Yeah.
Now, I don't know what you people understood with this conversation, but first thing, welcome back to my channel, Mads World of Passion. Now, this miniature DIY kit from Itsy Bitsy, it is 399 rupees, and I actually did not buy anything extra. Now it comes with full brick, half brick, the cement, the spatula, and some of these doors and windows. There are 3 windows, one has a frame like this, and one main door, 4 overhangs, and one small window. The complete detail now is behind the box along with the instructions, so do read that. And it also has these 2 cardboard cutouts, one for the roof and one for, of course, the foundation. So what I did was, instead of doing this home the way they have given, I tried to make it just similar to this but in a better way. And these are some of the extra things that my daughter did herself using the garden soil. She has made these pots and these paper plants, but actually they are very big in size. And this cardboard gate that she has made, we'll see how to use it because all of them are big in size. So I bought a 8-inch MDF board from again Itsy Bitsy itself. Now with the help of Fevicol, I stuck this cardboard cutout on the MDF and my daughter painted it. Now here I was in my mother's home, so actually I've shot this entire thing on my camera. I've not used any tripod, nothing. So I just hope you people appreciate this video because I had not carried anything with me because this was not on my mind to do it. But since it was there, I bought it a month back and it was there in my mother's house, so I decided to do it with my daughter because she wanted to do it for her dolls, which she had again DIY'd herself. So yeah, we started applying cement and used the full sized bricks to make the foundation on this cardboard base. Now my cement here had become a little hard, so I used a little bit of water to make it little flowy because otherwise it would be very difficult to stick it to the board. To give a good look to the house, we started painting all these embellishments, the doors and windows in black color, but except for the main door, of course, I painted it in yellow. You can actually use the reference image on the box itself to actually make this whole home, because you otherwise won't know where exactly you have to place, after how many bricks or the height that you have to place the doors and windows. So you can take the reference from the box that has been given, or you can of course watch this video here in which I've showed in a very simple way. I've created add-ons. I've not bought anything extra. If at all I needed something, I've made it on my own and I've used it in this project, so you don't have to spend anything more. Of course, only for an MDF board, which I've taken a round shape here. If you want, you can take a squared one to make this home on that. Why MDF board is because if kids carry it all around while they are playing, they need a strong base, otherwise this may fall and break. So that is why an MDF board. Now this dining table, I thought I'll use it here, but it's too big. And this lady, which my daughter has made on her own without any help from me, using the garden soil, it's amazing. Supposed to be the head of this home according to her, and now she's made a small gate and she wants a staircase from inside and a tree, so she's doing all the hard work. She's cut the ice cream sticks as steps from inside the home to go to the top floor, and she's painting the pistachio shells to make it or use it as leaf and flowers in a tree that we want to make. And now I've used some old cloth, the leftover cloth, as curtains, and this is how I fixed the stairs inside using the ice cream sticks. And here I've used a OHP sheet to give make it look like a door. And then of course the curtain. My daughter has added a TV unit, she has made a side table. So this way we've completed the ground floor, and this is how it looks. Now time to fix the roof for this house, but before that I paint it with the grey color. Now before I fix the roof, I take a waste cardboard, I cut open the upper part of it to get this pattern which is there inside of the cardboard. I paint it again in grey color to actually I'm using it as a overhang for the main door. Since it was not given in this box, I thought it would not look nice not having it, so I fix it and then I attach the roof. Now there were some bricks that were left and cement as well, so my daughter insisted she wanted a room on top since she had made a stairs and all in the ground floor. So I started making the stairs. I did not have any extra accessories here, like they had not given any fence for the house, or it did not come with an extra door. So my daughter made a door with the help of again cardboard. And for the parapet wall around the roof here, we have used the newspaper here. I have made rolls. I've stuck 3 of them together and I've painted it. And for the roof of this top room here, I've used the cardboard. I've cut it just the way I have cut it for the main door. For the overhang, I've made it just the same way. And now here, what color you want to paint is totally up to you. We have kept in neutral shades. I've not added too many colors. I've used some old branch as a tree here, and we stuck all these pistachio shells and made it look like a tree with leaves and flowers on it. Use the hot glue gun for making of the tree, and now to fix the parapet wall here, I'm using the same glue gun and fixing this, and of course the tree next to the house. Now here I was not left with too many bricks to make a compound wall, so we decided to make a fence using the matchbox stick and these jute threads that I used. And my daughter had of course made the the gate using the cardboard. She had painted it. So before I show you the final look, I need to thank my daughter, of course, without whose help I don't think I would have been able to do this at all. Now okay, this is the day look with some light inside of the house, and this is how beautiful it is looking. And this is the night look of the house, and all these extra things are made by my daughter. I just built the house, but she came up with so many things. I think this house is truly hers. And I hope you guys like this video. If you really like, then do like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So okay, now these two add-ons here, there's a small gate on the back side of the home for the car, and she's made a swimming pool here. And of course I had bought these two dolls, and the lady of the house which she has made. So I hope you people will also recreate something like this summer vacation with your children. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget again to subscribe to my channel. See you all soon in my next. Bye bye.